How to make a soda bottle bird feeder. Experienced home gardeners know that it's not just the plants that make a garden special, it's also the wildlife. Birds in particular add much to a garden, from the way they look to the fact that some eat undesirable insects. In the winter months, however, birds' food becomes scarce in some areas. Invite non-migratory birds to linger through the cold winter in your garden by providing them with food in an upcycled bird feeder made from a plastic soda bottle and other simple-to-find materials. Things you will need: tape measure or ruler, sharp knife or scissors, wooden chopstick, wooden towel or a wooden spoon, masking tape, funnel, birdseed, string, wire or twine. Step 1. Remove and set aside a plastic soda bottle's cap. A soda bottle cap usually needs to be unscrewed for its removal. Rinse the soda bottle thoroughly with clean water. Step 2. Soak the bottle in warm water until its label loosens, and remove the label. Let the bottle air dry. Step 3. Cut a quarter-size hole about 4 inches above the bottom of the soda bottle, using a sharp knife or scissors. Cut a second quarter-size hole opposite the first hole. Step 4. Cut a small X about 1/4 inch wide, roughly ½ inch below each quarter-size hole you made in the bottle. Step 5. Slide a wooden chopstick, wooden towel or a wooden spoon handle first through the 2 X cuts. Both ends of the chopstick, dowel or spoon should protrude from the soda bottle, providing 2 perches for birds that come to feed. Step 6. Cover the quarter-size holes with masking tape. Place a funnel in the soda bottle's top opening, and fill the bottle with birdseed. Step 7. Remove the funnel from the soda bottle. Put the cap tightly back on the bottle. Step 8. Tie string, wire or twine around the cap or the soda bottle's neck. Create a loop from which to hang the soda bottle. Step 9. Hang the bottle, which is now a bird feeder, outdoors. Remove the masking tape from the bird feeder's quarter-size holes, allowing birds access to the birdseed.